Good morning, family. All right, I'm just out here doing a little tomato harvest this morning. And I just want to talk to you guys about some things I've been doing in the garden as far as my tomatoes go. I've seen a few stink bugs out here. So, I seen a whole bunch of baby ones one day, right? And I went immediately in the house and got my neem oil. I'm not going to eat that one. Can y'all see it? It's got holes in it. I immediately went and got my neem oil. I'll put these over here. And I sprayed them immediately. And I think it killed them, but it also burned my plants in that area. It kind of burned all the leaves. They turned brown and crispy. So I knew it wasn't the proper time to spray neem oil. It was in the evening, but not quite late enough to where the sun was all the way down. And so, yeah, I damaged my plant just a little bit. But it was worth it because it killed the what was it? It killed the stink bugs that was on it. So about 2 days later, I came out and saw another stink bug. And just for a little context, in the past, my tomatoes, especially, and I don't know why they love red cherry tomatoes so much, but especially my red cherry tomatoes, which is this right here, the one that I sprayed with the neem oil and burned, they love those. And so in the past, my tomatoes have gotten overrun by squash bugs. And so I don't want a repeat of that. And so I sprayed my plants down really good with neem oil, and I haven't seen any more. So I'm gonna have to just make that a routine. And so when I mix my neem oil, I simply mix the recommended amount of neem oil on the container. I can't think of what it is right now. That's either diseased or died. I'm gonna remove that while I'm out here. That's not what I'm out here for right now, but it's right in my face, so I might as well, right? I mixed the recommended amount of neem oil to water and I dropped one. And Castile peppermint soap. I mixed the recommended amount of that as well. If you get a Castile soap, whatever type you like, and you look at the instructions on the back, it will, see, there's another baby squash bug right there. It's not even on a red cherry. Let's see. Hello. Oh, I don't know. That might have been a tick, y'all. That might have been a tick. I don't know. It's very interesting. I've been seeing ticks in my garden, and that has never really been the case in the past. Anyway, if you use the recommended amount of peppermint Castile soap that the container recommends, mix it together in the water along with the neem oil and spray. That should take care of your problem. Now, make sure that you do it in the evening. Make sure you do it in the evening once the sun has gone down, because the Castile soap and the neem oil will burn your plants if the sun shines right down on it. It'll get hot and it'll fry them. So don't fry your plants trying to kill the bugs. That totally defeats the purpose of what you're trying to do, right? So yeah, work smart, not hard. Spray and let the thing that you're using do the work for you. My next thing I gotta do is figure out how to eradicate the ticks out here, because that's not the first one I've seen. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm afraid of anything that can live in me parasitically. Yeah, that's not cool to me. So, anyway, let me finish these and I'm going to show you what I got.